In this question from the chapter probability, question says find the probability distribution of the number of success in two tosses of a die where success is defined as number greater than 4, and in the second case is a number 6 appears on at least one of them. Now first thing that we should know that when a die is tossed, there are 6 outcomes, and 2 times 6 into 6, that is 36 number of observation in total. And we are going to take x as the random variable. So we can say that possibilities are what? No success. No success means what? A number less than equal to 4 in both dice, right? And the second case could be that is one success. That means we have a number greater than 4 in one of the dice and the other has less than 4. And the third case when both dice have a number greater than 4. So let's begin with the first. When we talk about Px is equal to, all right, x is equal to 0. So what we can say over here that when we talk about Px is equal to 0, first of all, you should know that when a dice is thrown, a number less than equal to 4, because the success is greater than equal to 4 and we are talking about x being 0. So 4 over 6, that means number less than 4 in the first dice and also 4 in the second dice. So 4, 16, it can be reduced 2 by 3, 2 by 3, that is 4 over 9. So 4 over 9 is the distribution for the first part. Now similarly, we are going to the second part, and as I decided that in the second case, we are going to take x is equal to 1. So we are going to start this first. Let me show you. So what is the possibilities when we talk about Px is equal to 1? It means we have a success in one dice. So success is what? Getting a number greater than 2. Greater than 2 is what? 5 and 6. So it is 2 out of 6. But then failure in the other, that means 4 out of 6. Could be the reverse. That means success in the first we took. Now this time I'm taking failure in the first dice and success in the second. So this way we can reduce how much it is. This is, if I can be reduced, now that is how much it is, 8 over 36 plus 8 plus 8, 16 over 36. 16 over 36 can be reduced as 4 over 9. So this is the answer for the second part. That comes out to be 4 over 9 again. This is 4 over 9. Now we'll come to the last part. So when we do the next thing is what? Right, over here I'll write that. The next could be the when Px is equal to 2. So when Px is equal to 2 implies what? In both dices, we are getting a number greater than 4. So it should come as what? 2 over 6 into 2 over 6. That is 4 over 36. And 4 over 36 is what? 1 over 9. So this results to give you 4 over 9. This is 4 over 9. Right. Now, lastly, we are going to draw the table over here. That is the probability distribution table for this, and the required probability distribution table should be, let's draw this. So thus the probability distribution will come as this. As you can see, when Px is equal to 0, we get 4 over 9. And when Px is equal to 1, we got 4 over 9 again. And when x is equal to 2, we got 4, that's 1 over 9. It's not 4 over 9, right? We calculated as 1 over 9. I by mistake wrote. This is 1 over 9. Right, so this way is what we will do the table for the probability distribution table for the first part. Now let's see the second part. In the second part, it says 6 appears. We have to find again where the, we have to make the probability distribution table like the previous one. Right, just that the difference here is that this time we have 6 appears on at least one die. So if we talk about the probability distribution, so here success means 6 appears on at least one die. So we have two cases, Py equals 0. That means there is no success. It means less than less than 6, right? Less than 6 is what? These are observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 5 of them is less than 6. So that is 5 out of 6. And same is for the second dice here. So it comes out to be 25 over 36. And when we write Py is equal to 1 here, 6 appears on at least. So this is the case when 6 does not appear on the any of the dice, and 6 appears on at least 1. So at least once means what? This is case of 1, and at least 1 means 1 minus none. So 1 minus this is what? 11 over 36. So we can say that the required distribution table is what? Px, so this time it is y, right? So I should write y and then Py, making a table. And these are the two cases, x, y0 and y(1). This is 25 over 36, and this is the case of 11 over 36. So that's how we will do this question.